Good morning, children. This is Shable speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter Exponents in Power, chapter 13, and we have completed the first exercise of chapter 13, and we are dealing with presently 13.2, question number 5. So, children, let us understand how to deal with such exponential forms, simplifications of exponential forms. Okay, so let us give a start. 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 2 into 7 to the power 3 means cube divided by 8 to the power 3 into 7. Children, question is how to solve it. Okay, children, as we all know the rules of exponential numbers, when a power comes on another power, when a power comes over another power, remember they gets multiplied, which I've already explained in the previous video. So here we can see the power is 2 and the power is 5. So it will be 2 to the power 10 because power on another power gets multiplied into 7 to the power 3. Let it be as it is 7 to the power 3. Next is 8 to the power 3. Children, can we express 8 as 2 to the power 3? Of course we can, write, because in exponential form, in exponential notation of 8 is 2 to the power 3. So I'm just going to express 8 as 2 to the power 3, and there is another power that is 3, okay, into 7. So it will be written as it is. Now children, 2 to the power 10, let it be 2 to the power 10 as it is, into 7 to the power 3, let it be as it is, 2 to the power 3 to the power 3 means 2 to the power 9, because power on another power gets multiplied, and here is 7 means 7 to the power 1. That's all. Children, now 2 to the power 10, 2 to the power 9, they are in divisions having equal bases, means the powers will be subtracted. It will be 2 to the power 10 minus 9 into 7 to the power 3 and 7 to the power 1. It will be 7 to the power 3 minus 1. Okay, children. Now 2 to the power 10 minus 9 means 2 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 3 minus 1 means 7 square, or 7 to the power 2, same. Children, this is only our answer. I hope it's clear to everybody. If not, then please let me know. Feel free to speak. Children, let us try question number 2, because if you understand 2, you can easily figure out question number 3. It's very simple. So let us try question number 2, children. Question number 2. Question is 25. Question is 25 into 5 square into t to the power 8 divided by 10 to the power 3 means 10 cube into t to the power 4. Say children, how to do this? 25 can be expressed in form of 5 square. Yes or no, children? Because 5 square means only 25 into 5 square as it is into t to the power 8 as it is divided by 10 to the power 3. Don't look at the power 3. Look at 10 first. Children, can we express 10 as 5 into 2? Of course, 5 into 2 can be written or can be expressed for number 10, which I've already explained in the previous video. So 5 into 2 means 10 and whole to the power 3. I'll write 3 as it is. Into t to the power 4, I'll write as it is. Now children, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2 means they're having same basis in multiplication, so powers will be added. It will be 5 to the power 4 into t to the power 8. I'll write t to the power 8 as it is, divided by this whole to the power 3 on 5 into 2 means this 3 is on 5 as well as on 2. So I'll just simply write 5 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3 into t to the power 4. Okay children. Now 5 to the power 4 and 5 to the power 3, they are in divisions and having equal bases. So powers will be subtracted. It will be 5 to the power 4 minus 3 means 1 into t to the power 8, t to the power 4. Okay, they're having same basis but in divisions powers will be subtracted. So it will be t to the power 8 minus 4 means 4 into, there is nothing in the place of numerator, so I can write 1, and in down I have 2 to the power 3. I have 2 to the power 3 children. So I'll write into 1 by 2 to the power 3. That is only my answer children. That's all. So my final answer is 5 to the power 1 into 2 to the power 4 into 1 by 2 to the power 3. So children, this is how we write our answers. I believe it's clear to everyone children. If no, then please let me know. Feel free to speak to me. I'll surely explain these questions once again. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.